you know somebody who needs extra security in their home, whether they're elderly, they have kids that they're afraid of escaping, they're your kids that are in college or getting their own apartment, and you want them to have extra security, but they're not able to set up a deadlock or drill that many holes or that big of holes into their door and wood, and they need a different option. This is another great option. It comes 2 in a pack, and you go ahead and you install this on your door frame, and once you slide it over, it is locked. And then nobody can open the door from the outside in. So nobody can get through this door. This is made out of zinc alloy, one piece. So it's not gonna be broken apart. It's not gonna be ruined. You can see this is flush. It comes with 2 locks and 2 packs of screws to install it. It also comes with these little rubber pads that you can put onto your door. That way, when you have this set up, you can go ahead and put this pad here, and if you forget or the kids are banging on it or something, it won't damage your door because you have this little nice rubber padding here to protect it. And another thing is it comes with this little tool that you can turn these and tighten them or loosen them depending on how difficult or easy you want this to be. Maybe you have little kids that can reach and you don't want them to be able to flip it over easily, then you can tighten it. If you do have little kids in your home, you might want to hang it up here. That way you don't have to worry about those little kids wandering out the door and getting out into the yard without your permission or street. And this just kind of helps give you that extra security.